Everything is complete. Now before I came out here to test fire this, I did put new springs inside of here. All new springs, action, trigger, everything that you saw us restore. I didn't want to break those or have the gun do something irregular that it's not supposed to, so that's the only new thing that was put in here. Also a magazine. Since this didn't have a magazine when we found it, I went out and bought a reproduction magazine and did have to do just some light grinding to the back side to get it to fit appropriately inside this magazine well. So we've loaded 3 rounds. We're going to test fire 3 rounds through this just to see how it runs in cycles. The action's still a little gritty, as you can see, with the new springs. But I think with firing this over time, a lot of that would break itself back in, meaning those rough spots would eventually wear out. So we're going to fire just 3 rounds here and see how it cycles. She runs perfectly. Everything cycled appropriately. The magazine block locked everything to the back, so we know everything's working the way that it should. So that concludes this. The G43 is all back together and running perfectly.